Is cold water cramping your style? My name is Kate with WTI, and you have to get your hands on this CAMPLUX portable water heater. Now, this is ideal for an outdoor shower, off-grid camping, even to use in the yard if you just want to hose off the dog or the car with warm water. It has a handle, it's only 10 pounds, so very easy to cart around, and it doesn't require any permanent installation. We're using this for our outdoor showers, but you can use this anywhere. It is so simple to set up. So it's honestly just a couple D-cell batteries. So you don't even need electricity. You then have one attachment for your propane and then two for water, one in, one out. As soon as you connect this to your water source and to your propane, it will automatically turn on and start heating that water in seconds. You can see the water pressure does adjust a little bit, and so does the heat. So even at max heat, it's not too hot. It's a really beautiful, comfortable shower for the whole family. It also has the shower head, which has different settings. It's adjustable and it turns off. So overall, a really well-made unit, very easy to use, super user-friendly, and will make your camping experience so much better, and that's my point of view.